Hello all, I am SIDDHAARTH. During this lockdown, I and my team have designed a 6-axis robotic arm with a tanker base. This is very useful for the doctor to take swab test. Come on, let's go to the 6-axis robotic arm. In this 6-axis robotic arm, as I told before, in the first axis we placed an electromagnet which moves the electromagnet clockwise and anti-clockwise. The second axis which makes the electromagnet totally to move upward and downward. Downward and upward. Third axis robotic arm moves this rod as clockwise and anti-clockwise. Fourth axis makes this robotic arm to move forward and backward. Forward and backward. In this fourth axis robotic arm, which makes the total robotic arm to move forward as well as backward. The fifth axis is a very important axis as we have designed an acrylic sheet for this movement. This acrylic sheet we use for better flexibility of the fifth axis robotic arm. Let's go to the sixth axis. Sixth axis robotic arm is being placed here, which moves the robotic arm to move clockwise and anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise and clockwise. See how this electromagnet works. When I on the push button, it picks the butts. When I off the push button, the butts will fall down. We are using electromagnet because pick and place is too hard to catch a butts, so that we are using electromagnet. Let's see what are the components we have used. This is the Arduino Mega board. These are the input wires from the servo motor, and these are the output wire which is being connected to the 10K potentiometer. These two are resistance we are used. Actually, we are using a bolt IoT. This bolt IoT at the end, we fixed the LM35 IC which predicts the temperature and sends to the bolt cloud. This bolt cloud is being visible in our smartphone as well as it sends message to our phone. In case of overheat of this machine, it indicates to my phone for the better safety. We placed two DC motors for the movement of the tanker to move forward and backward, as well as it moves right side and left side. We mounted a 12 volts battery inside the tanker for the current supply for this robotic arm. How this robotic arm works. Current supply for this robotic arm. How this robotic arm works. When I rotate this shaft, even the shaft also rotates. There is no delay because we are connecting the servo motor and potentiometer to wire, so there is no delay of 0.1 second. Let's go to the first axis. When you rotate this, even the electromagnet also rotates. The second axis, the total electromagnet rotates down and up. There is another additional thing. Wait, we'll add the butts to it. See the rotation. Let's have a closer look on these butts. These are the sample is being collected. When I on the push button, it falls. Thanks for listening to my project. Have a nice day.